Hello, my name is Ian Maurer, and this is just a little welcome video to the IB Math Analysis and Approaches HL34. Most of the time when we refer to it, we'll just say HL because that's a lot of other words to say. One thing I'll point out, I'm not going to read everything in the syllabus, but one thing I'll point out is that my last name has two R's in it. So please make sure if you're trying to get a hold of me that you go M-A-U-R-E-R. Okay, I will say right off the bat, HL34 is a hard math class, and I have a really good track record with my students. I'm very confident that if you are able to put in the time and effort, if you're able to come to class, study outside of class, ask help when you need it, you'll be successful both in the class and on the IB test in the spring. I treat every student in my class as if they are taking the test in the spring. Everything that we do is to prepare you to do well on the spring exam. Every year, we have almost every student earn college credit. At some of the state schools, this is worth a lot of money. Okay, so I am really trying to prepare you guys for the next level of math, and we use the IB test as like that North Star that we're always working towards. Here's kind of a rough schedule of what we're going to learn about 4 units in the first semester, about 4 units in the second semester. Okay? Now, I got to mention this. This is not going to be me lecturing to you the whole class period. That's not how it works. The way it works is you're going to be up at the whiteboards. I've got one on the wall there. You're going to be up at the vertical whiteboards. You're going to be working in groups. You're going to be communicating your reasoning, listening to others. You're going to be an active participant. It's not a spectator sport. There will be times when I lecture to you, but you have to be active and engaged. And so with that being said, there's no substitute for being here in class. There's no substitute for participating. I'll post information online, and you can go and check it out on Canvas or whatever. Not going to substitute. So you need to be in class. You need to be working on the material. That's the only way that you're really going to learn. I'll point out that every 100% of your grade is based on assessments. Okay? We will have some quizzes and some check-ins. Those are informal, those are formative, those do not count as your overall grade. Those are just communication between you and me. I'm saying here's where the bar is at, and you're saying here's what I know so far. Okay? So we'll do those quizzes. They don't count for your grade. The only thing your grade is based on are the assessments. You can retake assessments. There's a little bit of work you have to do before you get to retake it, but you can retake assessments. Okay? So please make sure that when you're in this class that you're taking it seriously, you're doing the homework even though it doesn't count for points. You're working with other people. So like find some people in class with you or find some people online or whatever who can work on the problems with you so that you can help each other and stay on top of it. Okay? So I'm just going to keep this video short. Please reach out if there are any questions, comments, concerns, and make sure you put 2 R's in my email address. Thanks.